Hey folks, it's Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and today I want to share something really personal with you. Owning my Caldera Niagara saltwater spa has completely changed my life. The way I feel, the way I live, and how much happier I am every single day. Not long ago, I had double knee replacement surgery, and let me tell you what, it slowed me down for quite a bit. I began to wonder if I was ever going to feel normal again. With those daily soaks, my muscles recover faster, I'm golfing longer, and those motorcycle rides with Frank, we go much further and go much more often just because I feel that good. My Niagara Spa helps me melt away the stress, soothes the soreness, and helps me for whatever adventure is coming next. It's not just my hot tub, it's my secret weapon for living the life I love. So right now during Caldera's Feel Good financing event, you can get 5 years 0% financing, and you can take this feeling home for yourself. From May 2nd through May 12th, you can actually get 60 months at 0% financing on any Utopia and Paradise Series hot tubs. That's 5 years of feeling incredible for less. If you've been dreaming about it, this is your moment. Go see your local Caldera dealer and let's get you feeling younger, stronger, and living a better version of you every single day.